Hello and welcome to Billie's Craft Room. After my earlier video of unboxing some crystals, I thought you might like some close-ups and find out the names of the crystals. First up we have banded green calcite. This stone was described as for encouraging new possibilities. Next up we have Hessianite Garnet. This one's a tumble stone, that's describing its shape and size, and it's for support during challenges, and given our current times it sounded useful. This one's a beautiful colour brown. It's got some really deep, it goes from chestnut right through to really deep dark brown. I'm not sure if you're going to have a good enough light to see that, but beautiful stone. And next up we have Onyx. This one has heal old wounds as its description. This one is various shades of green. Hope that's in focus. Really hope that's in focus. There we go. Next up, up a little bit. That's in focus. Next up we have Outback Jasper. This is a palm stone, and this is Dream Your Future. It goes from a deep dark chocolate brown up into shades of soft beige. Jaspers are really comforting stones, really soothing. Not sure if I'm going to say this right, so go with what you can read. Pyroleucite. This is the shiny black one that had some really deep dark red in it. This one's for resilience and fortitude. This one I think is one that they said in ancient times when they were doing cave paintings, this is one of the stones that they used to make pigment from. Okay, I'm not even going to try and say this one. I'll let you read the name of that one. This is a really deep, isn't black coloured crystal, but if you get the light at the right angle, there's got some blue flashes through it. I'm not sure we're going to have the light to pick that up, but it's an absolutely stunning stone. But I'll let you read that name. And last but by no means least is Iolite and Sunstone. This one said realise dyslexia, I'm not sure which word that is, bear with, your spiritual potential. But yeah, my bad on the word there, but yeah. But it's a beautiful blue to violet colour, and I know the light isn't good enough to pick that up, my apologies. I'm right by the patio doors, but it's January in England, so yeah, light not being the greatest, but it's an absolutely beautiful stone. And as I mentioned in my previous video, these were all purchased on eBay from Crazy Karma's Crystals, and this is where you can find her. A good place to look up crystals and their meanings and associations is a YouTube channel called Adam Barrelay. I'll put a link in the description, but he's a brilliant person for learning more about your crystal collection. So, something a little bit different for this week. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. For more inspiration, please visit the blog on www.billiescraftroom.wordpress.com.